Welcome to Jadda's Craft Cottage. If you are a teacher and want to have your students make a spring project, or you are a director of activities at an independent or assisted living community, this bottle bouquet is an easy project for you to do with them. Let's get started. You will need an assortment of clean plastic drink bottles, a variety of acrylic paints, green wooden garden sticks between 18 inches and 24 inches, a large glass vase, artificial greenery, and some glass stones that are optional. The first thing you want to do is remove the paper from the plastic bottles. Take your scissors or a knife and just tear it apart. Get as much as you can off, but don't worry about the extra pieces because we can paint over that. Now every bottle has a different design on it. This has a flower on this side, and this one also has a flower, but they're a little bit different. You're going to paint your bottle towards your pattern. You can either mix your colors or bring them right out of the bottle. Now I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to just follow the pattern on the bottom of my bottle. Also follow these shapes on the sides. To let this dry, you can put a skewer in it and place it on a piece of styrofoam. You could even paint it this way. When the paint is dry on the bottles, it is now time for us to assemble the bouquet. So we're going to add the stones to our bottom. Add a green garden stick to our bottles here. Add a little greenery. And your bouquet is finished. If you are working with a large group, you will need a larger vase and longer garden sticks. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just an extra day for crafting.